Hi, my name's Graham. Welcome to the Arizona State Fair.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And now our guest host, Ezra.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Arizona State Fair Kids. Let's check in with our next kid correspondent.
Hi, I'm Belle. I'm 9 years old and we're at the Arizona State Fair. This is my assistant, Nikki. Today we're building paracord bracelets.
What are paracord bracelets?
They're braids that you can do bracelets with.
Is it hard?
Well, it can be if you don't know what you're doing.
Will you show us how to make one?
You're gonna need clips to buckle them when you're done. So I like using two colors. You can buy the supplies at Michael's and Hobby Lobby.
What made you want to make paracord bracelets?
The reason I started making these bracelets is because I could tell my cow halters apart.
How long do you make each piece?
It matters how long you want your bracelet. It takes 1 foot of paracord to make 1 inch of bracelet.
Hey, what's Nikki doing?
She's burning them together so you can put them through the thing and you can pull the knot so you can have a base to start making the bracelet.
Can you show us the various bracelets you brought?
This is the one that a lot of people learn how to do first. It's just a regular paracord bracelet, and then this is a state paracord. So this one just weaves in and out. Each braid is different the way you do it.
Show us how you start making them.
So you want to do a loop right there, and then you want to pull the ropes through until they're tight. Then you want to go back to the ends. And you want to put these through the other hoop. Once we have this, you can measure out somebody's wrist. So I clip it like this, and I pull tight till it fits her good. Then I unclip it, and that's how big her wrist is. So first you want to take one of your sides and put a loop over the side, like here. And then you want to take your other colored and put it around the back through the other loop and pull it tight. So if you have the same colored, how I always figure it out is that there's always one behind the other. If you put it through again, that one's going out the top and this one's going behind, around the loop, and then behind through the loop. Make sure you're pulling tight each one the same because it'll end up being different sizes.
What else can you make besides bracelets?
You can make them for your water bottles to hold them with.
You just need different clips.
Yep. Or something to hold it on the water bottle. So you can do different patterns, like right here. I did it all pink and then I switched it down here. So it'd be like mismatch. So you just use the opposite color that you were using. So like I was putting this one first over the loop, now I'm putting this one over. But if you do it back and forth each time, it'll start to twist. And then when you're finished, so sometimes there's a few different ways to burn it. So sometimes they have their little stick and you can put it on the end of the ropes. I have to cut these too long. And you can put them and thread it through there. Or you can cut them right here and burn them. Or you can burn them right here and put this here and burn them right there and put them there. Kind of burn them together. I like doing this way.
Why do you need an adult to help out?
So you don't burn yourself. That's how you make a paracord bracelet. Back to you, Ezra.
Thanks, Belle.
It's amazing! I can't believe it!
Thanks for watching this. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It's free, so just do it.